On today's episode of Root Bear, the Root Bear 1500 is getting fixed.
Today, folks, we're fixing up our root beer getter. Yeah! Now, first, you make sure you got your tool bag and your wits. And today, folks, our root beer getter not running. I don't know why. It's basically junk. So, we're gonna fix it. And we're gonna go get some root beer. Yeah! So, we're gonna start with some preliminary checks. See what's wrong with it. Oh, yep, looks like you go good old root beer getter. Yeah, no root beer. Oh, we'll start off getting a diagnosis on. So, yep, this is the root beer getter 15,000, as you can see. Pretty good piece of machine. No start. Put it in drive, no go. Now, so what we do, we got our tool bag out. Yeah. Okay. So I always like to fill my tool bag with only the essentials. Truck small, right? But open up our tool bag and see what we got here. Well, yep, like I said, the essentials, you got grandma chicken, just in case your horn stops working and go, get out of the way, I'm getting my root beer. Ah! Okay. And, what else we got here? Oh, yeah, it's a hammer. You can't get nothing fixed without beating on it. So, yeah. Root beer. Okay. And I would bring a headphone so I listen, radio when I'm going, can't get root beer without getting hyped. And, what else we got here? Some root beer, yeah! Yep. That's always important. And, tape measure and some other essentials. So, let's go on to the engine bay, the root beer getting, thing, park brake release, at the, let's see if we can open up a hood on the other side. So, here we go at the engine getting root beer. See if she opens. Oh, there she is. Well, it looks like... Here, let me get you a closer look here. It looks like the root beer 1500 is missing a few parts, but it don't matter because we can fix it if we got root beer. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get your root beer tools, put them in a good spot, see what we got need to get here. Got good things here. Put this to the side, we need that later. Got a hammer. I can't do nothing with that much money right now. See what we can diagnose with our hearing device. Put that on. See what we can plug this into. Put this in the root beer.
A&W Root Beer's got that frosty milk taste.
Yep, that sounds about right. But now that we got that out of the way, we can begin with our next few works. Oh, you can't always forget about the root beer fluid, the root beer pressure. Yep, that looks right about a root beer. You know, root beer. You always pack a root beer when you're trying to see if you got root beer in there. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, so you open up your root beer. She's pretty good on the root beer. She don't need no more. I don't know what's much wrong with it. We can maybe check the root beer go power. Yeah. Who needs to worry? Yeah, that's normal. Let's just check the root beer going fluid. She's supposed to be dry. You always want to smell it too. Smells burnt and dry, which is what it's supposed to smell. Because you don't want your root beer going to be wet and fresh, because that means it's not working. Next, you want to make sure just gotta get a sip of root beer. Make sure she got, oh look, a car. She got some root beer going gas. Gotta make sure. Maybe she don't got no gas. Oh, my favorite way of seeing if there's gas in it is the gas sniff. Yeah. Open it up. There's gas in it. Whew. And you want to say hi to your kitty. Hey, kitty. Kitty's not impressed. What? And you gotta, let's go back to the front here. I've noticed that we are missing a pretty big instrument in this root beer getting rig 1500. That could pose a problem. When you're trying to get your root beer. Now, folks, this is part of the show where we show you what happens if you drink too much root beer. Drinky the juice fever. Drinky the juice. Drinky the juice. No more root beer. No. Yeah, she'll be fine. Oh, now all I need to do is fix it now. Put the root beer in and get your tools back. Get all the tools. Make sure you get all the tools back. You don't want to lose any of your tools now. Pop the trizzy, reverse style. I hope that didn't just rip. Now it won't back open. Anyhow, and then we get back in her and drive off getting our root beer. Yeah. And just like that, folks, you too can fix your root beer getting machine. Yeah. So remember, folks, keep your stick on the ice. Okay. We'll catch you next time.